You're assaulting me. You're assaulting me.
Stop. Stop. What are you doing? You're gonna keep kicking.
I'm not doing it.
That's a felony.
My brother f***ing died. I miss him so much. Please just let me go.
30 minutes earlier, Brittany was close to going home. Then, one decision turned a routine DUI case into a physical struggle and a far more serious problem. Here is how she got there.
That's my car.
Smoking. Do you want
She
fire
hit
for
the
this or no?
car and hit that one.
Have you had anything to drink tonight?
Unfortunately, no.
Unfortunately, no. That extra word is strange. A clean denial needs only one word. Her sounds less like an answer and more like disappointment. Keep this word in mind.
We gotta make smarter decisions when we drive, okay?
My little brother died 6 months ago.
Grief is real. She saw the consequences of driving impaired in her own family, and here she is doing by herself. Some people never learn. Her deep pain may explain her behavior, but it cannot excuse you from law.
Okay, I agree. Okay, I'm here. I agree. I'm here. But I think, wait, seriously, I'm serious.
I'll grab your stuff after, okay? We gotta go inside, all right?
Okay,
It's kinda cold, Come on.
I'm on your side. You seem like a really nice guy.
It was too cold outside, so officers decided to get done sobriety tests indoors.
I'm gonna get you had a drink at your friend's house.
A little bit, like a sip or two.
Of what?
Of what? Alcohol.
What kind of alcohol?
Vodka.
The denial lasted only minutes. Nothing has now changed to vodka. Once the story starts moving, every answer after it carries less weight.
Follow this figure with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
All right, so get back in that stance for me, okay? Feet together.
Feet together.
All right.
Feet together. You have cute shoes?
Thank you. Your boots.
Do you have cute shoes?
Yes.
Okay, come on, let's do it. Am I supposed to not move my head, just my fingers, just my eyes?
Don't move your head.
I won't. I don't know what I'm trying to prove to you right now.
Just keep your eyes on my finger, okay? Okay.
What? What? Oh, shit, I didn't have to say that.
You were saying. All right, so the next test. Do you think this surface right here is flat?
Oh, of course it's
Flat.
flat. Of course it is.
All right, so do you mind standing right here?
I'm an idiot. Yeah, of course.
All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to imagine a straight line in front of you, okay? What I want you to do is...
Why do you say a straight line?
All right, so what I want you to do is I want you to place your left foot on that imaginary line. Can you do so now? Then using your right foot, place heel to toe, like so.
Yeah.
Can you get in the stance?
Yeah.
Nope, go back.
Why?
I just need you to stand in the stance, okay?
You guys know that you guys, that's,
So what I need you to do...
you know damn well.
Listen, what I need you to do, I need you to
Okay.
imagine a straight line, all right?
Okay,
Place your left... Place
So
your left
I
foot.
can't put my arms up.
No.
Is what you're saying.
Keep your arms down. I'll instruct you to start the test, okay? So imagine a straight line. Place your left foot on that straight line.
Okay.
Can you do so now?
Okay.
And place your right foot right in front of your left, heel to toe like this, okay?
Can you do it for me?
I'm doing it right now.
No, Dad, that's it. And I mean it in the most respect.
Brittany,
Like, I'm not trying
can you
to.
get in the stance for me?
I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but like it's hard. But I'll do it. I'll do it.
No, don't start yet. Don't start.
Okay.
I just need you to get in this stance, okay? All right, so what I need you to do is I need you to keep your arms down by your side, okay? Do not start the test until I instruct you to, all right? You understand? Any questions? All right, so when I instruct you to, what I want you to do is I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down that imaginary line. So it's gonna look something like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, all up until 9. Once you're on your 9th step, keep your front foot planted, taking a series of small steps, and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back, okay?
Can you do that?
1, 2,
Can
3,
you do that?
all up until 9, all right?
Can you do that? Can you do that?
You just did it.
Can you do that?
Brittany, focus on me.
You need to just listen to what he's telling you. And the faster you do it, the faster down it, okay?
God, you as a hilarious.
You understand the test?
I understand. It's just hilarious how men think that they can fucking do whatever the fuck they fucking want.
You understand the test, Brittany?
Yeah, I fucking understand it.
Do you have any questions?
Tell me where you've been.
Brittany, do you have any questions?
You do it.
I just did it. I just demonstrated it for you.
You do it then.
Brittany.
Do it, Brittany.
Yeah, exactly. Of course you want.
Brittany,
your
do you understand the test?
shit. I'll do it.
I didn't tell you to start yet, okay? Do you have any questions for me?
What am I even doing it for then? You fucking give me my ticket and let me fucking go the fuck home.
Do you have any questions for me, Brittany?
Give me my ticket and let me go
Brittany,
home.
I need you to do this test for me, okay?
For what? For what?
You want me to explain it to you two again? So the reason I'm having you do this test is because I smell odor intoxicants coming from you, okay? You was involved in an accident, a pretty bad accident, okay? So I just want to make sure you was okay to drive.
My brother
Brittany,
died in a car accident.
are you gonna
Why do you not
Brittany,
care about that? My
I'm not saying I
brother
don't
died.
all right?
You don't care about that. You
Brit-
know what?
are
I
you-
actually
are you-
thought that
are
you
you-
seemed kind
Brittany,
of cool.
Are you
I
willing to
actually-
complete this test?
I can complete the test. I'll complete the test.
You want me to demonstrate it one more time
No,
for you?
I'll do it. I understand. You want me to keep walking?
You want me to demonstrate the test one
No,
more time?
You do it.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
And begin.
What the is the question then? Did I not do that wonderfully? Come on, I can do it again. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I was in ballet and also in tap dance. So fucking tell me about it. My little brother died 3 months ago.
No, we're not saying we don't care about that, Brittany.
Well, you know what?
And we can get to talking about that. We're just gonna figure out, finish these tests, and we'll get out of here. Okay? That's all we're asking.
My little brother isn't dead. So tell me how much you care about that. You know what? I'm sorry. But you know what? How old are you?
They're totally irrelevant.
I'm sorry. I'm not trying to.
You're okay. Listen.
But you know what? You guys, I'm here now.
All right, Brittany, I actually got one more test for you, okay?
Okay.
All right, so what I need you to do, I just need you to stand heel to toe like this, okay? Can you keep your arms down your side like this? Can you get in a stance for me, too? All right, so when I instruct you to, what I need you to do is I need you to rate either your left foot or your right foot approximately 6 inches off the ground, okay? So it's gonna look something like this. What I want you to do is, what I want you to do when I instruct you to, I want you to count out 1001, 1002, 1003 until I instruct you to stop, all right? So throughout this test, what I want you to do is I want you to keep your arms down by your side, keep your eyes on your feet, and count on, okay? And do not stop.
Is this like,
And do not stop the test until I instruct you to, all right? You know which foot you're gonna raise. It's up to you. Left
which one do you want me?
It's totally up to you.
Okay.
All right. And begin.
Wait, what am I doing this for?
Just keep your foot up, okay, and count out.
So was that part of my thing?
PPT.
All right. So my next question is, what's your highest level of education? You know your ABCs, right? That's something we just asked everybody. You know your ABCs?
Oh, do you think I know my ABC?
I'm asking, do you know your ABCs?
I graduated from Harvard 2 years ago.
Congratulations.
You're welcome.
All right. So what I want you to do, I just want you to say your ABCs without singing them. So A, B, C, all up until Z. Okay? I know it sounds silly.
You're f***ing with me, aren't you?
No, it's a question we ask
Are
everybody.
you using your f***ing... Are you really not f***ing with me? I'm sorry.
I just need you to say your ABCs.
You want me to say my ABCs? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, B, I, blah, blah, blah?
Can you say it seriously?
No, I actually can't. I'm not gonna lie. I actually can't confuse. I really do. Can you tell me yours?
Brittany, can you just say your ABCs?
No.
A through
A, B,
Z?
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, A, S, E, B, something. I don't know. I have an EMP gun.
Having a degree from Harvard is not the important part. The instinct is, when performance fails, status becomes the defense. But a Harvard resume cannot complete a sobriety test.
Brittany, yes or no? Do you want to blow into the tube or not?
Do I need to?
It's up to you. You don't have to if you don't want to.
Well, then no, I won't do it.
Okay. All right, so Brittany, you're under arrest.
This is the turning point most viewers miss. She's arrested. She failed every test. We all assume she is going to jail for sure. But look how cleanly officers gave her the easy option to go home. But yet again, she failed and resisted every move.
Alright, so Brittany, we're gonna walk back to my squad car. I gotta start
Are you serious?
Alright, Rich, we're gonna walk this real quick.
Are you serious right now?
Come on, Brittany.
Are you serious? Why are you doing this to me?
So tonight you're gonna get some tickets and then you're gonna get the chance to go.
You know what the is gonna happen to you guys?
Brittany.
I'm gonna let everybody know that you got videos of you no, you losers.
You got anything in
You
your
know, you guys tried to
Get off.
loser.
Brittany,
Yeah,
anything in your
yeah, guess what? I have your demons in my
Stop it.
you.
Brittany, you have anything in your pockets that might stick or poke me or hurt me?
What do you want out of my pocket? What do you want out of my pockets?
You got anything in your pockets that might poke
What
me or
the
hurt me?
do you think of my pocket? Aside from your demon.
That's not what we gonna do!
No, exactly. No, you.
We're not gonna be kicking, okay?
No.
Do you understand me? Act your age.
Hey, you asked my age. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Alright, so we gotta go. You think in our pockets?
Yourself, you fucking piece of shit.
Anything in your pockets.
Dude, what the fuck do you think I have in my pockets? It's not from your fucking Steven, you fucking piece of shit. Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck?
Stop. Just relax.
Are you
Brittany,
serious? Fuck you.
Brittany, we understand you're going through a lot.
You understand I'm going through a lot.
I know.
A fucking police officer fucking.
My purse.
A police officer assaulting me.
Brittany, stop. What's up with this?
You're assaulting me. You're assaulting me. Are you serious? Are you? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Brittany, get your foot in the car.
You're assaulting me.
Brittany, get your foot in the car.
You're assaulting. No, you need to call my mom. What, I have a, no, I have
You're not
self-respect.
calling anybody right now.
Call my mother.
Brittany.
Guys,
Listen to me, Brittany. Okay, look at me. Look at me. Take a few deep breaths. Okay.
no,
Britt-
call my
Hey,
mom.
I'm over here. Okay, listen.
No,
Listen to
call my mother.
Listen. Brittany, can you sit back up, please?
No.
Okay, listen to me, Brittany. You're gonna get some tickets, you're gonna get some paperwork, and
Hi.
you're gonna get to go home tonight, okay?
Call my mom.
Brittany, can you sit back up?
No.
Sit back up. Okay, listen. Hey, Brittany, we will call your mom, okay? We will call your mom. The faster we get this process done, the faster we can call your mom.
She has been given an exit. Finish the paperwork, call her mother, and go home. Officers are explaining to her that it's an easy win for her, but she keeps treating cooperation like surrender.
Will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test of your blood, yes or no?
I don't know.
Yes or no?
What if I say no?
You want me to reread the informant accused?
Sure, fine, whatever. Just give me the fuck out of this fucking car.
So you are willing to?
Sure, yeah, it's fine. Get me out of here.
She was carried to the hospital, and her answer changes with the pressure. Yes, no, then yes again. Finally, blood draw ends quietly. By the time they return, only paperwork stands between her and home.
2 citations, one for operating while under the influence, first offense. You have a court date of, let me see, where's it at?
What are your fucking
So
things?
you have a court date March 16th, 2020
Fucking tell me about it.
at
you
8:30 in the
fucking
morning.
Piece of shit.
Court
Tell me about it.
court is mandatory, so you have to show up on that date. Fine amount is $861, okay? So then the second citation is failure to keep vehicle under control. So it's the same court date. Appearance is mandatory. Your fine amount is $136, okay?
The expensive part was settled, 2 citations and a court date. Jail was still avoidable. At this point, patience had more value than any argument. But she could not stop pushing against an outcome already in her favor.
We gotta finish some paperwork still. We're going to.
Stop! Hey, I'm asking you, please.
Stop.
Stop back.
Stop. Why are you fighting with him? He told you to stop. You gotta stop. You're gonna catch a charge. Why are you doing this? Stop. Just stay right there. Just stay right on the hood like that. You okay?
Yeah. Brittany, I gave you an option to be cooperative with me. You're not cooperative with me.
You going inside with her?
Yeah.
You're out of handcuffs and you're just working your way back in. Come on, Britt. You don't catch another charge for all this stuff. It's consistent. That's a problem.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Brittany,
You're
stop.
better than that.
Stop.
You're better than
Stop.
that. You're a black officer.
Stop.
What are you doing? Stop.
I'm not doing anything. Get the fuck out of it.
Because now you're going to catch a charge of battery and I'll leave. Because you're kicking people. Because you're pissed right now. Because you made stupid decisions tonight. Stop. You done? Can we call him? You're going to keep kicking.
I'm not doing
It's
anything.
a felony.
Not
The state of
doing,
Wisconsin, that's such a felony instead of just no
I'm not doing anything.
We're going to stay in for a hot second till you can calm down.
I'm calm.
Kick me.
I'm literally not even fucking moving. Are you fucking kidding
Keep
me?
kicking at me. We're going to have a problem.
I'm literally not moving. So calm.
Brittany, are you gonna be calm?
I'm not moving.
Are you gonna kick anybody else?
I'm not even moving.
Just because you made dumb decisions today, now you're taking out on everybody else.
I'm not even fucking moving. Are you fucking kidding me?
You probably charge her with battery now. You can kick me.
Are you serious?
I'll let you. We'll talk.
Are you serious? Are
Yeah,
you?
you just kicked me in the leg. Because you're pissed. You were out of handcuffs until you started being dumb. Why can't you just calm down and do what Officer Baker's asking you?
I'm not doing anything.
The DUI had given her consequences. The kick changed their level. She was already out of handcuffs and nearly free. One impulsive act turned an exit into a jail door. She did not lose the opportunity. She threw it away.
For one kick in a law enforcement officer, felony. How better?
This is all on camera.
It absolutely is all on camera.
She asks where the felony came from, but the camera has already answered. The consequence arrived faster than her understanding.
All right, so you're gonna be going to jail now, okay, for battery and DC and battery to a law enforcement officer. All right.
Brittany was cited for first offense drunk driving and arrested on a felony allegation of battery against a law enforcement officer. She is presumed innocent unless proven guilty. The lasting lesson is simple. Officers gave her so many options to live a free life, but she did damage to herself by her own actions and behavior.
A lot goes on behind the scenes to bring these investigations to your screen. From weeks of intense research to the precise editing, custom motion graphics, and sound design that build the tension you felt today. If you want to see more deep dives like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel running. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next case.